I want to go live radar. That's where we need to focus our attention right now. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning moving through Benton County. Watch, rinse, repeat, right? This is the third over the last hour alone that has moved through Benton County. This one cell at this point is probably the stronger of the three of them that has moved through. It has a severe thunderstorm warning that's going to be in effect until 11 o'clock. The reason this warning was issued, 70-mile-per-hour winds as well as 1 inch in diameter hail. It was 1.5 inches. You see this brand new update just now coming in. That's why that's flashing there, down to just about 1 inch. That's some good news. It is trending a little bit lower, but certainly a very strong storm getting ready to move back into Bentonville and Rogers. You've been both skirted by the other storms this evening. This one, it's got some heavy rain on top of you right now, the worst of which is just off to your southwest by about 4 to 5 miles. So expect the rain to intensify. The winds are going to pick up, and that storm is going to continue to produce a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, and unfortunately, probably a little bit of hail in there as well. This is tracking towards the north and east. So Garfield, perhaps Pea Ridge, going to be next in line downstream. Little Flock as well. Avoca probably going to get in on the action. Bella Vista, you're on the north side. You've got some heavy rain moving back into the area, but it looks like with at least this specific cell, the one we're most focused on right now, the worst of the hail probably stays just off to your south. This is a live look from Rogers. We're looking off towards the northwest just for some context. Here's Interstate 49. Tail lights, folks traveling northbound. Here's Cross Church, the three crosses there. The AMP and Top Golf would be just over towards the left side of the screen there. So we're looking back into that cell, a decent amount of lightning. We can also have a pretty good view from Bentonville. This is our Jack Links camera there right on Walton Boulevard. Can't see a whole heck of a lot right now given the rain is as intense as it is, but a lot of lightning out there, and certainly you're hearing the thunder as a result of these near constant lightning strikes. That's likely set to continue over the next several hours. Hail and wind, that's our primary concern with tonight's storms as well as tomorrow's, and you guessed it, as well as Easter Sundays. We do have the potential for severe storms really the next 72 hours. On top of that, flooding is going to be a concern for us. The tornado threat, it's low, and I'm going to keep it low. It's not zero, as much as I wish it was. And I've looked at the data in hopes of being able to lower it to zero for you, and I just can't do it in good faith. It really looks like wind and hail, though. As we've seen tonight, we've had some severe damaging winds in Gentry. We're getting some reports that I've sent a team to just now of some tree damage in Siloam. We've seen some large hail, ping pong size has been reported to us, and that's what these storms tonight will be capable of. This is one model. As I always say, it's not the gospel, but it does give us a general idea of coverage, placement, and timing. It's just a general idea. It does bring another wave back into the area likely after midnight tonight. Those somewhat scattered in nature, the big bulk of the activity, here's 3 o'clock, moving through Tulsa back towards McAllister. That's going to be moving through our neck of the woods. Here's 5 a.m. tomorrow. Again, not maybe the exact precise timing, but sure is close. A line of strong thunderstorms moving through the area. Those are going to wake a lot of us up overnight tonight. Those two could very well be strong. 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, you've got some moderate to heavy rain continuing, probably a little bit of lightning and thunder. It's going to be tough to be out and about by tomorrow morning. Might get a little bit of a break by mid to late afternoon. This is, in fact, closer to the lunch hour. There's going to be more rain move in. So while the chance of rain and storms this weekend is very much an on and off type of a chance, the chance of rain at any given point between now and Sunday evening is quite high. Let's talk about Saturday night. Here's a chance of some more thunderstorms moving into the area. Those are going to continue to grow in coverage going into Sunday morning. Look at all that heavy rain. You can see why I'm concerned with flooding, right? Especially Saturday night into Sunday. We've already got a flood advisory in effect for Benton County just from the storms we've got earlier this evening. More rain on top of that is certainly set to continue. The front will eventually start to move through the area by Sunday afternoon, at which point this is 3 o'clock. That line of storms could be severe in of itself, but that's the back end. So the second half of the day, here's 6 p.m. Sunday evening, probably ending much quieter. How much rain can we expect? This is just one model, but I think it's doing a good enough job. I'm comfortable showing it to you. 2 to 4 will be common, especially across northwest Arkansas, east Oklahoma. Now, the further east we get, lesser amounts. These may be running a little bit low, but I do think perhaps places like Waldron, Boonville, Paris, probably not going to see as much as even Fort Smith or Fayetteville. Enough rain that a flood watch is in effect for all of us now through Sunday evening. I want to show you the 7-day forecast here. I typically show you the 10. Apologize I wasn't able to do that for you tonight. Weather impact alert through the first half of our Sunday. Temperatures this weekend a little bit cooler. We'll gather our thoughts, our breath, and we'll enjoy some fresh air Monday. It looks like another active weather pattern likely settles in for us Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Your River Valley forecast shakes out just like this. You're going to notice it's going to be a wet Easter weekend, I'm afraid, and potentially stormy with severe weather chances in the forecast now through then. We'll have a team here in the studios tracking these for you around the clock between now and Sunday night. We'll have more information even tonight right here and, of course, over on 5+.